Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to our channel Learn and Prepare. So I'm here with our second video of MCQ series. This video is about the smallest in the world. So the very first slide we have is about the planet. The smallest planet of our solar system is Mercury, as you can see in the picture. The smallest continent we have is Australia. The smallest country and city by area and population is Vatican City. The smallest island we have is Just Room Enough Island that is located in USA. The smallest desert we have is Carcross Desert that is located in Canada, as you can see in the picture. The smallest mountain we have is Mount Witchproof that is located in Australia. The smallest ocean we have is Arctic Ocean. As you can see in the picture, it is on the top of the globe. The smallest sea we have is Sea of Marmara, as you can see in the map. The smallest gulf we have is Gulf of California. The smallest lake we have is Benzie Lake. The smallest river we have is Roe River that is located in USA. The smallest waterfall we have is Davis Fall. The smallest bay we have is the Po Bay. The smallest mosque we have is Mir Mahmud Sahib Mosque that is located in India. The smallest park we have is Mill Ends Park. The smallest railway station we have is Curry Hill Railway Station that is located in Scotland. The smallest airport we have is Wanchoo Erskine Airport. The smallest bird we have is hummingbird. The smallest mammal we have is Etruscan shrew. The smallest bone in human body is the stapes. It is in the ear. So this was for today. Do subscribe to our channel. Allah Hafiz.